Hello, dreamers and doers. It's a pleasure to have you back on our channel. Today, we're embarking on a creative expedition, and I'm here to guide you through each mesmerizing step. Prepare to be amazed, and don't forget to stick around for a crisp conclusion. Let's begin our narrative.
Welcome to AOI Chatose, the ultimate hub for enthusiasts and professionals alike, dedicated to exploring the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. Here we dive deep into the latest tools, breaking news, and comprehensive tutorials designed to empower you with knowledge and insights. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Chatose is your go-to source for staying updated and skilled in the dynamic realm of AI technology.
Our journey commences with the quest for a captivating AI voiceover. Our destination? PlayHT. The best part? Our entire adventure today is cost-free. We'll opt for the no-charge plan. Once there, dive into PlayHT interface and select a voice that speaks to you. Enter your script and initiate the generation. Each free trial account comes with its set of 12,500 characters, so make each one count. Once the voice resonates with your vision, download the MP3 file.
Welcome to AOI Chatose, the ultimate hub for enthusiasts and professionals alike, dedicated to exploring the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. Here we dive deep into the latest tools, breaking news, and comprehensive tutorials designed to empower you with knowledge and insights. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Chatose is your go-to source for staying updated and skilled in the dynamic realm of AI technology.
Now, let's add another layer to our creation by crafting a video with an avatar. Our next stop is d-id.com. Sign in using your Google account and select the free trial. Here's where your creativity shines. Create a video, choose a preset avatar, or for a personal touch, upload a photo of your choice. On the right, you'll find the voiceover tool. However, we'll upload our script from PlayHT to ensure a smooth and natural flow. Once your script and image are perfectly aligned, hit generate. There you have it, a video masterpiece ready for the world. In our forthcoming episode, I'll guide you through creating an AI voice that mirrors your own. Imagine the freedom your voiceovers, just a text away. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support my work. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video.